What if you could create cinematic AI videos like these with Seedance without spending any money? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can start generating these high quality AI videos in just few seconds. And here is the best part. You would not limit to just Seedance. This platform also gives you access to powerful AI video models like Kling, VO, PixVerse, and Wan, all in one place. Let's jump right in and create your first AI video. First, go to the oriateai.com. Sign in using your Gmail or Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard with multiple AI tools, templates, and creative options. If you click on AI image, new window will open where you can see, paste your prompt, upload a reference image, choose any AI image model, select the aspect ratio and image quality up to 1K. But for this tutorial, we are going to focus on AI video only. So click on AI video. When you click on AI video, you will see multiple templates and options to upload a reference image. You will also see the several modes, including text image to video, first last frame to video, reference to video where you can upload a reference video, motion control where you can upload a character for consistent animation. For this demo, I will choose text image to video. When you choose text image to video, now you can choose the AI model. You can choose Seedance, Kling, VO, PixVerse, or Wan. For this demo, I am choosing Seedance. Next, select your preferred aspect ratio, video quality, duration, and sound setting. So for this demo, I will choose a random ChatGPT prompt. Paste your prompt into the prompt box. Once everything is set up, simply press enter to start generating your video. Within few seconds, your AI video will be ready like this. You can preview the result, you can download it, and continue creating more AI videos using Seedance